Special shoutout po sa ating Integrated Bar of the Philippines National President, si Attorney Alan Panolong, the very first Muslim President of the IBP. Maraming salamat po sa inyong tapat na paglilingkod and dedicated service to the IBP for the past year, for this year of 2025. Also, to our former immediate past President, si Attorney Tony Pido, ating simpatiko at napakahusay na umawit na National President. God bless you, sir. Thank you for guiding the IBP for where it is right now. And to our Central Luzon District Governor, si Attorney Dick Fernandez. And also all the chapter presidents of Central Luzon from Zambales, Pampanga, Bulacan, Tarlac, Nueva Ecija, and Pangasinan. Sa ngalan po ng IBP Bataan, kami po ay bumabati sa inyo ng isang pinagpalang Pasko, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Let us all continue to serve the country and hail the IBP. God bless you. God bless us all. Mabuhay ang Republika ng Pilipinas.